Welcome to my channel, Play Together, Learn Together. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take toys that you have already at home and set them up Montessori style for your children. If you haven't already, click on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Play Together, Learn Together. I'm Laurie, a mum to two children, a girl aged 5 and a boy aged 2. I'm a teacher with 20 years experience, mostly in early years. So this is my setup for my summer topic, and you can see that it looks incredibly busy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how we can change all of this to look much more inviting for the children and much more Montessori style. So now you can see that I have simplified everything that was set up here, or modified it slightly. So my books, yes, we had so many amazing books for the topic, but they were all squashed in. So for the children to be able to help themselves to them, it would be really difficult. So the best thing to do was just to put less in. Less is more. So the children can now see all of the books that are there and can easily take them out. And like I said in my video about my playroom, that we change the books maybe every 2 to 3 days, so that there's a variety of books being exposed to the children and that we're not having to cram so many into there at a time. Then over here, the surface here looks so much more inviting. The man at his camper set up before didn't really have much room, so I'm anticipating that tomorrow when the children come in, they'll want to engage with this setup here. The eggs and cups, so easy to make this setup differently for them and so that they actually want to play with it. So instead of it all being set up completed already, what I've done is I've put the cups in numerical order, and then I've separated the actual chicks and then the tops of the eggs as well into baskets to make it inviting for the children and for them to want to pick them up and put them where they go. The same for the stacking. Why have a completed stacking set up already? What is that going to give your child to do? So here it is. One set taken off for them to engage in. Then down here, I've simplified this, taken away some of the ice creams that we had for the potential shop, and I've put real money there for them to use. Now usually you would put it inside the till, but then it's hidden, and when they come down in the morning, are they going to notice that there's new money in the till? Probably not. So that's why I've put it in a little plate here. Then if they want, they can ask for a purse, etc, etc. And I've taken away the bees and the beehives from here and just left the shape puzzles, because that shape puzzle was completely hidden by the bees and the beehives. So it's more inviting for the children. And here's my writing area set up with crayons that the children like and a whole pile of writing resources. And here is our writing area now. So we've got a fine motor skills focus with scissors activities for both of the children, which I think will make it much more inviting for them to come in and just try the activity that's there. I hope that today's video has helped to inspire you as to how you could set up some of your children's play Montessori style. If you don't already, remember, click on that notification bell, Click subscribe to follow me and follow me on Instagram. Play together, learn together. Have fun learning at home with your child.